Hook. 0 to 008. Apple just killed Siri. OpenAI is going public at $852 billion. And the biggest IPO in human history just priced yesterday. All of this happened in the last 5 days. If you missed it, you're already behind. Intro. 008 to 025. Welcome back to the channel. I'm breaking down the 5 biggest AI stories from this week that you actually need to know about. No fluff, no filler. Just the stories that are going to shape the next decade of tech. Let's get into it. Story 1 to 025 to 050. Apple kills Siri. Replaces it with Google's Gemini AI. On June 8, Apple CEO Tim Cook announced that the new Siri is powered by Google's Gemini AI. This is a massive shift. Apple is essentially admitting, we can't win the AI race alone. The AI wars just moved to your iPhone. Story 2 to 050 to 115, SpaceX just did the biggest IPO in human history. On June 12, SpaceX started trading on NASDAQ, raising approximately $75 billion. This is not just a space story, it's an AI story too. SpaceX absorbed Elon Musk's AI company xAI, making this IPO an AI bet. Story 3 to 115 to 140, Anthropic versus OpenAI, both racing to go public. Anthropic filed its IPO at a valuation of $965 billion, and OpenAI followed at $852 billion. These companies are building the infrastructure of the future and are about to be available for regular investors to buy. Outro. 1:40 to 2 o'clock. Alright. 3 massive stories, 1 insane week. Apple handed Siri to Google. SpaceX did the biggest IPO in history. Anthropic and OpenAI are racing to go public. If you want to stay ahead of AI news every single week, hit subscribe right now. I'll see you in the next one.